We wanted to show you this new application. It's called LinkedIn Lead Generator. This software will be released as a compiled or a source code bot. So you will have the ability to buy it. It won't be very expensive, but we are selling this software because LinkedIn recently changed their policy. They changed their code, their websites. Everything was different. Everything changed, and we basically created a scraper based on these new changes. We created a scraper which generates leads from groups, from companies, and from users. You can download information about all of these based on your keyword. So you can, theoretically, you can get information about, any business that you want, any niche, anything, for any project that you need. For, let's say, you are into computers, for instance. If you are into computers, you can, search for a keyword. You can go into advanced search, and you can search for something much more advanced than what I just did, and this is really up to you. Once you made your search, you have the ability to the software will search for groups, companies, and users. So people, companies, and groups will be scraped. So what you have to do here is just select how many pages to scrape. Let's just say one for this example, and you click on start collecting leads, and the software now works on its own. It will open a thread, and it will work from the threaded version by itself. After this, you can just leave the software alone. You can just minimize it here. It works pretty easy. See, it's right there, and you can always access it through here. So what this does is software will inform you how many companies it collects, how many companies it scrapes, and stuff like that. All scraped file will be here on your desktop. That's where all the files will be. You also have this current operation, which will tell you exactly what the software is doing at a certain time. So what we will be doing is we'll be selling the source code for the software, and we'll also be selling this compiled bot for your needs. We can redesign the software, create a brand for you. It's all up to you. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. LinkedIn has a limit on search patterns. If you are a basic member, on our website, what we do is, sorry, my phone started ringing. Uh, on our website, we only sell this software to people who have LinkedIn Premium, because LinkedIn limits your search basically. It depends on how big your profile is, how many connections you have, and stuff like that. If you're often on LinkedIn, you will surely, they will allow you to search more, they will allow you to scrape more. But if you're a newcomer, or if you just got to LinkedIn, they won't let you search for a lot of information. It's just these are new rules which they implemented, and there's no way to go around it. So that's why we sell this to only LinkedIn Pro members. But sometimes we have our own premium account, and we just sell this stuff, the scrape information, for to other clients, depending on what they need, what keyword they use. And the tool is pretty useful if you have a pro account. If you don't have a pro account, they will limit you in, well, I don't know really. It depends on your profile. Maybe 1 day, maybe 10, maybe 20. It's really up to them. There's no limit. LinkedIn uses an algorithm to choose which people allows to search more, and which people don't. So this is all up to them. That's the main reason we are selling the source code, because it has a very useful scraping engine. Everything is inside very neatly. Everything is very neatly created. Everything is explained. We can give you a video tutorial for the code, in fact. And you have all you can sell this stuff to other people. You can make your own scraper. You can incorporate it with your PHP solution if you have one. This is all up to you. And at the very least you can learn, because LinkedIn has a complex form of protecting their data. You can just go here on this one. You can just see just one group. What the software is scraping are these information here, which is not easy because none of this is in normal tags that they use. So basically all the information that's contained here is the one you will find in your source file. We will upload the source file on UBOT forums, of course, and from there you can just check out exactly how this works and how you can review the data. You can see everything that's being scraped, and if you like it, just send us a message or something, and we can arrange for whatever you would require. It's all up to you. So we are going to after the scraping is done, we are going to upload a video, and we are going to upload all the free source files that the software will scrape. Scraping works a little slower. By this is intentionally done. We could just open free threads and scrape all at once. We didn't, because LinkedIn gets suspicious sometimes. They have new version of LinkedIn is it has more protection than than the last version of their websites. So we will be uploading this and upload the source file, and if you guys like it, you can just let us know, and we will we can agree on any arrangement that you want. Software has multi-threading. I should mention that also. You can open 10 threads if you want. It's up to you. It has memory optimization. Bot uses some plugins, but none of those plugins are affect the way software works. So if you don't have all the plugins, it doesn't really matter, because software can work with or without them. So that's not an issue here. And you also have this ability to save account credentials. When you just click here, and software will just save everything in a small DAT file. So let me just show you what happens when you restart the app. I'll just wait for this users to get scraped, and then I'll show you how the software actually remembers this email address and password. So this software was developed for a while. The main reason we did it, because our clients really asked for this. We did it for LinkedIn users. A lot of our customers uses LinkedIn, and what we didn't know at the time is that they actually have LinkedIn premium account, and we had to switch down to basic account to figure out what sort of limits LinkedIn has, because it's a largest network, and of course they're going to limit you in some way. And it took us a while. It took us a long time that we expected, and but we did it. Everything works fine. This bot is only being used by less than 10 people. I think 7 or 8, I'm not sure, but I know that is less than 10 people, and all of them have LinkedIn premium, so these guys are scraping all the time. So this is useful for marketeers, for people who sell something. If you want to contact guys, you can just do it here. And that's all I want to show you thus far. So let's just it looks like the scraping has just ended, and done. Oh, that's good. See, LinkedIn lead generator has finished. All info are on your desktop. So let me just, these are the email and password we saved earlier. So let's just restart this application. See, and once it restarts, you will see that software has remembered the email and password that you placed before. To see how it's saved, we just and this one. So we choose data from text as usual. Let's say LinkedIn companies. Companies based on our keyword, comma. Next, finish. Okay, so these are this is the company size, company type, company website, founding date, specialties of the company if they are listed, industry which they work in, headquarters or address, whatever you want to call it, and that's the entire file that we have here. So let's check out the new one. New blank workbook. Data from text, LinkedIn groups, delimited, limited with commas, and that's it. So these are the groups: other, networking, professional, non-profit, conference. And then you have members, how many members a certain group has, creation, the date of the creation of the group, a website, if there is one, owner, and subgroups. So these are the data you have here. So let's open a new one, the third source file, the output file, sorry. User profiles. This is something our guys really use a lot. People are the most important part. So you have full name. This is the full name. User title, current user title, of course. User location. Well, I'm from Croatia, and it's normal. LinkedIn gives me information from my country, but you can in the advanced search you can just adjust which location you would want, which industry, number of connections, see, and LinkedIn URL. This is the unique URL, so you won't go wrong here. So we will upload these files to forum so you guys can check them out. Like I said, this source code can be used for learning, for scraping. You can enrich your own files, your own software if you want. See, it remembered the email and the dummy password we just placed. So if you guys are interested, just let us know, and I hope you will like it. See you later.